What's up, guys? It's your girl Bree Michelle back with another cleaning motivational video. In today's video, I am doing my daily morning clean routine, which just consists of making my bed and washing up a few dishes. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload from me. So excuse the bad lighting. I did not want to pull out my lights for this very short video, so the lighting is bad in my room, and so that's why it looks like this. And I have on pants because my mom always coming for me talking about I look half naked in my videos. So for you, Mom, I put on pants in this video. So I'm just putting away a few dishes and about to wash some dishes that were left over from the night before. I had a smoothie this morning, so that one dish is new. I did not leave that overnight. I do not like to leave stuff like that overnight. But the rest of the dishes are just a few dishes that I was just too tired to wash up last night. So I'm about to tackle them now. And yes, I'm on the phone. I'm always on the phone. So I like to scrub my forks and my big utensils that have like the little holes in it and stuff, just to make sure I get all the dirt that may, and the extra food that may have got stuck in between the creases. So I like to scrub them first and then wash them. So that completes the end of this video. Like I said, very short and to the point. I do not do a whole lot of cleaning every morning. But until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.